Today, I'm going to show you how to add a window to your garage. People want windows for various reasons. For some, it's to get natural sunlight in. Myself, I want Wi-Fi from the garage to get outside into the driveway. Because this whole thing is made out of steel, there's no way for the Wi-Fi signal in the garage to go outside. Virtually impossible. Let me show you. I'm standing outside the garage, connected to my Wi-Fi network. I go to fast.com to measure the speed, and we're getting pitiful speed, maybe about 3 megabit per second. That's not good. Not only is it Wi-Fi signal, but it's also 433 megahertz signal for various sensors throughout the driveway. There is Z-wave as well as zigbee signal that need to go through the garage door. There are ways to add windows, such as removing this whole panel right here, and then swapping it out for a panel with windows already attached to it. Unfortunately, you need special tools, which most DIYers don't have. And here are all the tools that you'll need. The leveler is totally optional. Honestly, you might not need it, but I did because my eyes are not that great. A drill with bits to drill into metal. You'll definitely need a face shield because sparks will be flying all over the place. And you definitely don't want them to get into your eyes. And that's it. The general idea is that you'll be cutting a hole into your garage door, and then you'll need this kit, this window kit that will be attaching to cover up that hole. Here's a close-up of the window kit that I got from eBay. I don't know if your local stores have it, but I couldn't find one in Philadelphia, nor anything on Amazon. The kit is made out of vinyl and plastic, and the glass is, well, made out of glass. The vinyl on the outside, the glass, and then the plastic piece that will be in the garage to sandwich and hold everything into place. This thin gap right here is where it will be holding onto the garage door. Taking a close look at the plastic piece, you'll see all of the holes where the screws will be drilling into the vinyl piece. So measure carefully again and again to make sure that you're only cutting the red highlighted area right here. Just enough for the vinyl piece to go through the hole. Otherwise, there's nothing for the screws to hang onto that vinyl piece. Here you can see that I use permanent markers to make all of my markings. And then I use the drill bits to make all of the 4 corners. I'm not sure why this is needed. I'm guessing that's because it helps with making the sharp corners. Otherwise, there's no way you can do it with the angle grinder. There's one hole here, one hole here, one hole here, and one hole here. Once again, this panel is made out of steel. Fortunately, it is not super thick, but it was thick enough that it took me a while to make the hole. And this is the result after about 10 minutes with the angle grinder. Here's a side shot of that steel panel for you. Maybe it's about, I don't know, 1/8 inch thick or maybe 1/16 thick. Once all is said and done, this is what it looks like. Not bad, right? This is just one window opening, and that's all I need. I definitely don't want to do the middle because that's a security risk. People can always poke the window and then grab onto the core or the locking mechanism and then unlock the door that way. For now, one window is more than enough for the Wi-Fi signal to get through. I know it looks bad and it looks kind of weird. Maybe I'll do it down the side, all on the right hand side. So 1, 2, and then another one down the bottom. Here's another angle of the window. You can see that the kit does not fit directly into the opening of the garage. The design of the garage is bent out somewhat. I'm going to fix that in the future by using a utility knife and then scoring a line through the vinyl. It should work. But for now, the result is more than good enough, and you won't notice if you're standing like 10 feet away from the door. Let's do the speed test one more time now that we're done. The result is much better. If I install 1 or 2 more windows, I'm sure it will go up to about 50 megabit per second. Alright, hopefully this video helps you on how to install windows onto your garage door. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.